दो लोगों के बीच में लड़ाई हो रही है, एक आदमी जाके दूसरे को घूंसा मारता है और फिर कहता है देखिए मैंने घूंसा मार दिया, अब एस्केलेशन नहीं कीजिए। मतलब आपने पाकिस्तान को डायरेक्टली अपनी पॉलिटिकल विल बता दी कि आपके पास लड़ने की पॉलिटिकल विल है ही नहीं, कि आप लड़ना ही नहीं चाहते हो। और ये डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने कहा है सरेंडर, इमीडिएट सरेंडर इन 30 मिनट्स। नाउ इन्होंने बोला पब्लिकली हाउस में कि भैया हम आपके जो मिलिट्री इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, आपके एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम को हम नहीं अटैक करेंगे, और दूसरे साइड से आप हमारे पायलट भेज रहे हो, क्या होगा?
मादे
हवाई जहाज गिरेंगे और नतीजा सारों को मालूम। आप जवाब नहीं देना चाहते हो मगर नतीजा सारों को मालूम है। डोनाल्ड ट्रंप 29 टाइम्स ही सेड, 29 बार उन्होंने बोला कि भैया मैंने सीज फायर करवाया है। अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं। यहां पे अगर दम है तो यहां पे प्रधानमंत्री बोल दे कि ट्रंप झूठ बोल रहे हैं। अगर सचमुच में दम है तो आज शाम यहां प्रधानमंत्री को कह देना चाहिए डोनाल्ड ट्रंप इज अ लायर, झूठ बोल रहा है डोनाल्ड ट्रंप। कि पहलगाम के बाद एक भी देश ने पाकिस्तान को नहीं कंडेम किया है। नॉट अ सिंगल कंट्री हैज कंडेम्ड पाकिस्तान। मतलब आपने पूरी की पूरी पावर आतंकवादियों को उठा के दे दी कि भैया आपको युद्ध चाहिए ना, आप एक अटैक कर दो युद्ध हो जाएगा। इट्स क्रेजीनेस। यू हैव टेकन द एंटायर आइडिया ऑफ डिटरेंस एंड टर्न्ड इट अपसाइड डाउन। दैट द पाकिस्तानी आर्मी was attached, Pakistani Air Force was attached to the Chinese Air Force. And not only that, the doctrine of the Pakistani Air Force was completely changed. The information available to the Pakistani Air Force was completely changed, and the Chinese were feeding information, critical battlefield information, satellite information, targeting information to the Pakistanis. And the problem is that we are now facing not just China, not just Pakistan, but China and Pakistan fused as one militarily.
जाहिर सी बात है आज जो राहुल गांधी ने मुद्दे उठाए उन सवालों के जवाब न प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के पास हैं, न गृह मंत्री, न रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह, और खास तौर से उन्होंने टारगेट किया देश के विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर को। लिहाजा उन्होंने हमारे पायलट्स को टारगेट किया, हमारे फाइटर जेट्स को टारगेट किया। और उसके बाद क्या होता है? उसके बाद 2 दिन तक हमारे विमान उड़ान नहीं भर पाते। और यह बात किसने कही थी? यह बात कही थी सीडीएस जनरल अनिल चौहान ने, और इस बात का जिक्र भी राहुल गांधी ने अपने भाषण में दिया। आखिर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप 29 बार यह कैसे कह रहा है कि जंग मैंने रुकवाई? उन्होंने कहा कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हिम्मत दिखाएं, डोनाल्ड ट्रंप से कहें कि तुम झूठे हो। क्या प्रधानमंत्री इतनी हिम्मत दिखाएंगे? आखिर
And Rajnath Singh ji said that Operation Sindhur began at 1:05 in the morning. और उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा, he said Operation Sindhur lasted 22 minutes. And then he said the most shocking thing. He said at 1:35 we called Pakistan. We called Pakistan at 1:35 and we told them that we have hit non-military targets and we do not want escalation. These are the words of the Defense Minister of India. Now maybe he does not understand what he revealed. The DGMO of India was told by the government of India to ask for a ceasefire at 1:35 at night itself, on the night of Operation Sindhur. You told the Pakistanis exactly what you would do. You told them that we will not hit military targets. You told them we do not want escalation. Speaker sir, you imagine, दो लोगों के बीच में लड़ाई हो रही है, दो लोगों के बीच में लड़ाई हो रही है, एक आदमी जाके दूसरे को घूंसा मारता है और फिर कहता है देखिए मैंने घूंसा मार दिया, अब एस्केलेशन नहीं कीजिए। मतलब आपने पाकिस्तान को डायरेक्टली अपनी पॉलिटिकल विल बता दी कि आपके पास लड़ने की पॉलिटिकल विल है ही नहीं, कि आप लड़ना ही नहीं चाहते हो। और ये डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने कहा है कि हमने, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर यहां हाउस में कह रहे कि हमने पाकिस्तान से जाके कहा कि हमने आपको एक झापड़ मारा है, मगर हम आपको और झापड़ नहीं मारेंगे। हम एस्केलेशन नहीं चाहते हैं, आप रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कीजिए और हम मिलिट्री टारगेट नहीं मारेंगे। मीनिंग द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया informed the government of Pakistan that we have no political will, we don't want to fight, we have done this, we have just done this action. Surrender, immediate surrender in 30 minutes. Now there is a second very important thing that Rajnath Singh ji said. Maybe he didn't mean to say this. He also said that he told the Pakistanis that we are not going to hit any of your military infrastructure. Now this is a very interesting fact, because, and I want you to listen carefully to this, I said freedom of maneuver, meaning freedom to the Air Force. Now listen to this quote very carefully. Captain Shiv Kumar, Defense Attaché, Indonesia, he says, I may not agree with him that India lost so many aircraft, but I do agree that we did lose some aircraft. And that happened only because, of the constraint given by the political leadership to not attack the military establishment and their air defense. Meaning you went into Pakistan, you attacked Pakistan, and you told our pilots, do not attack their air defense system. Meaning you told our pilots, go and attack and face the air defense system of Pakistan. Meaning you tied their hands behind their back. Right? And the defense minister has said this in Parliament House itself, that we told the Pakistanis that we are not going to attack their infrastructure. इन्होंने बोला publicly house में कि भैया हम आपके जो मिलिट्री इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, आपके एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम को हम नहीं अटैक करेंगे, और दूसरे साइड से आप हमारे पायलट भेज रहे हो, क्या होगा? मादे हवाई जहाज गिरेंगे, right? So the point is, aircraft were lost, as this gentleman Shiv Kumar says, they were lost because of the constraint given by the political leadership to not attack the military and air defense infrastructure of the Pakistan. मतलब आपने शुरू किया और शुरुआत में आपने उनको कह दिया कि भैया हमारे पास ना पॉलिटिकल विल है और ना हम आपके मिलिट्री इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर अटैक करेंगे, और फिर आपने हमारे पायलट से कहा जाके लड़ाई करिए, और नतीजा सारों को मालूम है। आप जवाब नहीं देना चाहते हो, मगर नतीजा सारों को मालूम है। At 1:35 that हम ना आपके इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को अटैक करेंगे, ना आपके एयर डिफेंस को अटैक करेंगे, और हम एस्केलेशन नहीं चाहते। मतलब हमने आपको थप्पड़ मारा है, मगर दूसरा थप्पड़ नहीं मारेंगे। That is what it means. When we say we don't want escalation, it means मैंने एक थप्पड़ मारा, दूसरा नहीं मारूंगा, तीसरा नहीं मारूंगा, चौथा नहीं मारूंगा। Why? Because the goal of this exercise was to protect the Prime Minister's image. Yes. The goal of the exercise, because he has the blood of the people of Pahalgam on his hands, the goal of the exercise was to make sure that he used the Air Force to protect his image. Donald Trump has said 29 times. 29 times he said, 29 बार उन्होंने बोला कि भैया मैंने सीज फायर करवाया है. अच्छा, अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं. यहां पे अगर दम है तो यहां पे प्रधानमंत्री बोल दे कि ट्रंप झूठ बोल रहे हैं. If he has the courage, if he has the courage of Indira Gandhi, let him say here, that Donald Trump, you're a liar. That you did not make a ceasefire, and that we did not lose any planes. Let him say it here. If he has the courage. 50% भी है इंदिरा गांधी का तो यहां बोल दे. 50% होगा तो बोल देंगे. सॉरी सर, एक साइड से 7th फ्लीट आ रही है, बोल दीजिए सर. मजा आ रहा है.
ऐसा नहीं
सर अभी तो मैंने ओपनिंग नहीं किया सर.
आपका समय
अभी तो मैं सेट हो रहा हूं.
समय है आपका कम.
अभी सेट हो रहा हूं सर, थोड़ी ढील दीजिए. अगर दम है, अगर सचमुच में दम है तो आज शाम यहां प्रधानमंत्री को कह देना चाहिए डोनाल्ड ट्रंप इज अ लायर. झूठ बोल रहा है डोनाल्ड ट्रंप. भाषण में उन्होंने कहा कि सारे के सारे देशों ने टेररिज्म को कंडेम किया है. एब्सोल्युटली 100% करेक्ट. मगर उन्होंने यह नहीं बताया कि पहलगाम के बाद एक भी देश ने पाकिस्तान को नहीं कंडेम किया है. Not a single country has condemned Pakistan. Everybody has condemned terrorism. What does it mean? That the world is equating us with Pakistan. That now even defense minister, we have deterred Pakistan. Acha, you have deterred Pakistan? Fine. Is a Pakistani general called General Munir, Chief of Army Staff. That man is having lunch with the President of the United States. He is sitting there. Our Prime Minister cannot go there. Mr. Trump is breaking all protocol and he's inviting to have lunch with him. Prime Minister hasn't said anything. Prime Minister has not said, how dare Mr. Trump invite Mr. Munir to his office. The reason I had him here for lunch was I wanted to thank him. Shame. I wanted to thank him for not going into the war and ending it.
Shame, very shame.
Now, currently, General Munir, US General Michael Kurilla, head of their command structure, and generals from 4 Central Asian countries right now are having a conference on how to prevent terrorism. Right now. So while these people are running around telling the world that Pakistan has done terrorism, the United States is having lunch with the man and organizing and trying to figure out how he can help them fight terrorism. I mean, which planet is the foreign minister sitting on? Like, please come down. I don't know where you are. Come down. You have flown off somewhere. Fantastic idea. I don't know whose it was. At the end of the operation, by the way, the operation is still going on. They have declared victory, but it's still going on. At the end of the exercise, they say, any act of terror is an act of war. Now, do you understand what this statement is saying? मतलब आपने पूरी की पूरी पावर आतंकवादियों को उठा के दे दी कि भैया आपको युद्ध चाहिए ना, आप एक अटैक कर दो, युद्ध हो जाएगा. It's craziness. You have taken the entire idea of deterrence and turned it upside down. Right? So today, no, one second, you're laughing. Tell me something. The next terror attack that happens, what will you do? What will you do? You'll attack Pakistan again? That you have destroyed the single biggest, most important goal of Indian foreign policy. China and Pakistan are fused like this. Now let me tell you what that means. Well, let me tell you what that means. It means, sir, अगर आप समझना चाहते हैं मैं समझा दूंगा थोड़ी देर बाद.
प्लीज
समझा दूंगा सर.
प्लीज आप
समझा दूंगा तो बैठ जाएंगे सर. Don't worry, I am ready to do it. What happened actually, the truth of what happened, because I have to say that. What happened is that the government of India thought they were fighting Pakistan. And when they arrived, they suddenly realized that they were not fighting Pakistan, they were fighting China and Pakistan. Yes. Meaning that the Pakistani army was attached. Pakistani Air Force was attached to the Chinese Air Force. And not only that, the doctrine of the Pakistani Air Force was completely changed. The information available to the Pakistani Air Force was completely changed, and the Chinese were feeding information, critical battlefield information, satellite information, targeting information to the Pakistanis. External Affairs Minister says, yesterday in his speech, he says, the two-front war concept is a very old concept. I don't know what he's talking about. The two-front war concept is gone. It doesn't exist anymore. There is now a unified front concept where there is only one unified single front, and war is going to be held on multiple domains: space, electromagnetic, cyber, undersea, air, space, air, land, sea. So he does not even understand the basics of warfare. He's talking about two-front. That ship has sailed long ago. Speaker, sir, how did this integration between Pakistan and China take place? I want to make it clear. There is a center called CENTIAC, Center for AI and Computing, that was built in Pakistan with Chinese help. And the aim of the center is to integrate the Pakistani Air Force with the Chinese Air Force and make and transform the Pakistani Air Force into a network-centric Air Force. Speaker, sir, as I speak, and since 2021, Pakistani officers, strategic officers have been embedded in the PLA's Western and Northern Theatre Commands. They're sitting there, coordinating. And the problem is that we are now facing not just China, not just Pakistan, but China and Pakistan fused as one militarily. Speaker, sir, it is dangerous in this time for the Prime Minister to use the forces to protect his image. In his entire discussion yesterday of 1 hour, the Defense Minister did not say the word China. Meaning he is scared. Meaning he is scared. And this is the point. The point is that we are now facing in front of us Chinese and Pakistani fusion.